Hi, this is Katie here, and in this video we're going to be showing you how my husband David made a 10-foot strawberry gutter planter for under $30. Now if you've been online at all, you've probably seen a bunch of these. They're pretty tried and true method for growing strawberries, and they can turn out very cute depending on how much work and money you want to put into it. My husband did a very simple one, so that's what we'll be showing you. We might, however, not have a follow-up on this planter like we do have planned for the other strawberries, the raspberries, fig tree, and other things we're planting. It's because this is more of an experiment for us, trying out old seeds and seeing how well they've survived. So what we are planting is Livingston's, grab this here, Alpine strawberries. As you can see, I was very neatly opening this. They're supposed to take 90 to 120 days to be fully mature and then start producing. But they were packaged in 2021. They've been sitting inside our house this whole time for the last 3 years, and they've been at stable room temperature. So we don't know how many seeds in there are still alive, what their potential to germinate is. Once upon a time, I used to work for a bluegrass mill, and I had access to the Washington State University, go Wazoo, seed lab, where I could check germination potential and stuff like that. I don't have that anymore. So we're just giving this a test run and we'll see. If things go well, it would take about 7 days to see them start sprouting, and then 90-ish days to have fruit producing full maturity. Longer case, it might take 3 to 4 weeks to see germination, and then closer to 120 days to reach full maturity. They might just all be dead and nothing will happen. And if that is the case, if we hit about 4 weeks with this and nothing grows, then we'll probably just put some store-bought already started strawberries in there and just have those for the rest of the year. And then next year we'll decide if we want to try from seed again with fresh seeds, or if we want to get sprouted strawberries and do that. The other thing with the gutter that we want to let people know is that because these are pretty shallow, the ones that we got, you need to water them twice a day. So just keep an eye on your moisture level with them. If you can get deeper, larger gutters, you might not need to, but most likely you're gonna have to water twice a day. So that's another thing to keep in mind with this. So we are hoping at least a couple of the places we put seeds in will sprout, but there's no guarantee. This might be a total failure. It's not that the gutter system is a failure. It's just that we're experimenting with these old seeds and we'll see what happens.
Hold that level.
No, just put it in.
The next day.